The flexibility that Unleashed gives us is we can be anywhere around the country. I can be in the North Island, or I could be in the South Island. It just gives us so much accessibility to be anywhere. I can access it on the go from my laptop or via the app on my phone, which just is great when you're on the move all the time. Hi, I'm Steve Atfield. I'm the Director of Vetpak Limited, a New Zealand company, and we cover the whole of New Zealand, supplying veterinary supplies to all the veterinary clinics throughout the country. After being part of IVS right through to 2007, we rebranded and become Vetpak from going forward from there. Since then, we've expanded to cover the country. We have 4 territory managers spread across New Zealand, also with our warehouse facilities in Dunedin servicing the South Island, along with our base here in Te Awamutu, where our warehouse and distribution centre and manufacturing plant is, and we move forward from there supplying the North Island. The Unleashed system was introduced to us by another company we deal with. We distribute and sell products for Atfield Animal Health, and they had been using the Unleashed system, and obviously we'd seen snippets of that process that we were using, and I sort of thought there's a great opportunity to explore this because it was doing the things that we were looking for as far as inventory management, gave us the ability with inventory management, assemblies, the production, also sales ability, and it was also integratable with Xero software. So it was ticking a lot of boxes for us going forward. So that sort of was the process we decided to look at going down to find someone who could help us with Unleashed. Obviously, I use some of the testimonials that are on the Unleashed website to get some insight from other businesses throughout the country, to get their feedback and see what applications they were applying the Unleashed software with. So that was sort of some of the driving factors. Spoke to our accountant, and he was aware of the system, so discussions with him, so we could see how to integrate with Xero, so there was a lot of pluses stacked up for the Unleashed system. Working with an implementation partner was the only way to go. I mean, they bring expertise and knowledge, and we're trying to link several parts of our business into one integrated software program, and the ability that they have with their expertise to drag all that together for us made common sense, and there's no other avenue to choose except using an implementation partner like No Fuss Business. I suppose right from day one of the process, starting with No Fuss Business and the implementation of Unleashed, it was a bit of an unknown because our business was multifaceted. There was obviously the manufacturing side, the distribution side, the sales side, the accounting side. So it was wanting to use a company that had expertise in all facets rather than just one component of that process. So No Fuss has been fantastic. They've got the expertise of both Steve and Carolyn, both with bookkeeping, accounting backgrounds, app implementation. So they also gave us ideas about future-proofing our business and how with the implementation of the Unleashed system we can look to the future, and with the app add-ons and things like that, and expand and progress our business going forward. For us, not having an implementation partner would have been a paddle-less canoe up a certain river. It would be just unbelievable to try and imagine how we'd bring all those streams that we have together into one. It's definitely, I thoroughly recommend using an implementation partner like No Fuss to install Unleashed in your business. Without the partnership, you would be a rudderless ship. Since we went live with Unleashed 1st of April this year, it's improved our ability to forecast and plan. We can see the amount of ingredients we have on hand for manufacturing. We can forecast our sales ahead. It just also makes us ability to look at our costs as well. When we're pricing products, we can sort of drill back down and make sure our margins are sufficient. It sort of makes you take a real overview of your business, and implementing Unleashed, you do really drill down into the nuts and bolts of your business. So since we've put that in, we have been able to get a much better snapshot of where we are at any one point in time. Moving forward, I'd have no hesitation to recommend Unleashed. We're only a small little New Zealand company. We have 11 full-time staff spread across the country. That involves our warehousing and our field team. But for us, Unleashed is just streamlined our whole business. It doesn't matter whether you're one person, two people, or 100 people. I think the Unleashed system can be tailored to your business and fits really well, and the ability to customise it to what you need is fantastic, and for us that's been a real positive going forward.